All right, YouTube, I'm hungry, and today we're getting another Get Loaded French fry video, another collaboration with Militia and a whole bunch of other people. So find the hashtag. It's going to be in the description, could be in the title. Hell, it could be anywhere. I want you to smash on that little hashtag. I want you to go check out some other people's videos, all right? Today, though, on my channel, it's breakfast time, son, and we're doing a loaded breakfast fry. This isn't going to be hard because we're in the backyard, all right? Now, look, we got right here some bacon. We're just going to throw our bacon on, and it looks like it's going to stick a little bit. Our other ingredients, we got some bell pepper, we got some egg, we got some french fries, and we got some onions, and we got like a special ingredient you don't see yet, all right? So this bacon here, I got to spread out here. All right, we're going to spread it out. It came on with clumps, you know, when I sliced it up. As that bacon cooks, it'll unlock itself from each other, all right? You know what I do with my french fries, too? These french fries, they've been out of the freezer for at least an hour, all right? So we're going to let this cook. We're going to fast forward a bit. Once that starts to brown up a little bit, we'll be back, all right? All right, guys, you can see it. Oh, and I can smell it. But those bacons, they're starting to brown up. So what we're going to do? We're going to get our little bag of french fries. It's the wife style of french fry again today. All right, that's what we got. You know, this bag is perforated there. It's going to open up, son. They don't have a choice. All right, so here we go. We're going to put it right on top of the bacon. Why? Because that bacon grease is going to help us fry these up. It don't know it yet, but it will. All right. Oh my goodness. And, you know, I've been cooking on low. I don't know. I always cook around low, medium, right? But here in a second, we're going to turn this up. All right. We just want these babies to lay flat in that grease. Keep them hot. If you don't keep these hot, they're going to get soggy. All right. Would you look at that? We're going to turn it up. Oh, that's hot as a motherfucker. All right, guys, listen. It's kind of hard to see sometimes with the white balance of these cameras, right? But if you look at this french fry, just look at that, son. Hopefully it's cooled down a little bit, all right? It has. It's still burning my fingers. But look at it, it's browning up nicely. Hey, real good. We just need to give it a couple more minutes, and then we'll be good to go. But before that happens, right, we're not going to let any of this go, all right? So as you're cooking, just clean up your grill just a little bit, right? You want to get rid of some of the grease, not all the grease, all right? And then it's time for some green and red peppers, right? You got to cook these down. You don't want hard green and red peppers, all right? So let them touch the grill for a minute, all right? Keep these turning. You want these to stay turning. And oh my God, are they looking good? All right? Keep them moving. Look at them. They're getting golden too. All right? And then we're going to mix them. They're still raw, but they'll get their chance. They'll cook. They'll cook as the rest of this food cooks. Oh my goodness. Oh my. This ain't fried rice, by the way. That ain't fried rice. You know, I came up and I thought to myself, potatoes. I'm eating my big old mountain of 10-pound fries, right? There'll be a link to the description of that up here or down there, wherever the description is. And I have one of those little like bars that come out the side. I don't know what you call that thing, but you can go check out that video. I'm calling those fries the pita haters. All right, this is 10 pounds of fries. Lots of different animals in there. But I'm eating that. I'm thinking to myself, this would go good with like nacho cheese. So I went and got some nacho cheese, son. I put it on there. It was really yummy. All right, but then I thought to myself, all this is a potato with a whole bunch of crap on it. It's breakfast time. I'm going to make some breakfast fries. And here I've been in my breakfast fries, you know, and it's going to be yummy. Look at them. They're going to be some yummy fries. And listen, if you wanted your bacon to be cooked more in your fries, Are your vegetables to be cooked more? Put them on sooner. You know what I mean? Dump the fries later. You know, for me, it don't matter a whole hell of a lot of beans. Which one is done more or less. I know I'm going to want a little fly to my green and red pepper. They don't take long to cook, right? And I know I want that bacon to crispen up a little bit more than it has. That's fine. And I know that potato has a lot of moisture in it, right? So that's the order I decided to go in just because I did, right? And if it turns out good, I'll tell you. If it sucked, I'll tell you that too. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to be going and dropping a whole lot of egg on there in the beginning. This egg here, it's just going to cook and you're going to be done, son. You know, oh, they're flying my eggs. Oh, that's gross. Hey, let's get that out of there. He's still alive too. All right, well, there goes the fly in the egg. All right, it's out of there. Let me see if I get another rag back here. We had to put a rag over top my egg now out here. It's summertime. These bugs like the egg, I guess. Here we go. There we go. The egg is now protected. It looks like Mother Theresa over there. I'm about to eat Mother Teresa's eggs, yo. All right. Let's go. Why do you put your hand in your head? Oh, come over here, guys. Come over here. Come look at her with her hands in her head. Look at her. All right, get back over there where you belong. All right. There's nothing wrong with eating Mother Teresa's eggs, by the way. You know, somebody did. Look at that. It's starting to darken up. Oh my God, those flavors are melting together. Look at that. Don't they look lovely? The best part's yet to come, guys. Look at that. Look at that. The green pepper, red pepper, green pepper is starting to char up a little bit on the sides. Can you see that? You can see the color change. That means they're going to be a little pliable, and I'm happy about that. Looks like I used the right choice of when to put those in. My bacons are starting to turn colors, which is really good. They were turning colors before I put the fries in. Oh my goodness, son. This is going to be some yummy ass food, I guarantee it. You guys are going to be wondering, why in the world did we forget about these bacon fries? You know, everyone has a bacon fry, but now we're making them into breakfast fries, son. Oh my God. And I'm hungry too. And, you know, I know you're looking at that clock behind me, and you're like, damn, that thing says it's like 12:20 in the afternoon. Son, I work nights. So at 7 o'clock in the morning when I went to bed, it was like nighttime for me. Now I just woke up. So now it's like breakfast time. I'm hungry, son. All right. Get it. Get it. Look at that, YouTube. Look at that. I better not drop it. Look at that, YouTube. Yeah. All right, listen up, guys. We got my magic colander back. We got to make some room for this, all right? All right, so there goes my colander. Remember, we take the edge and we pull it out. We're going to take all this food and we're going to put it in the colander. There's not a whole lot of grease here. You know, all the grease was probably absorbed by the french fries or went down the drain. I haven't checked the drain yet. But I'm going to guess there's not a whole lot of stuff down there. We got to cook up some egg, all right? And this ain't fried rice or egg fried rice or whatever you want to call it. That egg is going to be cooked on the blacktop, not in the food. You know, I'm not going to let that egg just bond to like some french fries like I would some rice. Oh my God, hold on here. How the hell? Oh my God. God, those fries are good as hell. Look at that. All right. And what we got to do, we want some cleaned up looking eggs. All right. We're going to clean up this griddle top just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's not like we're running water on top of it, guys. The eggs are not going to be perfect looking, but they're not going to look all horrible either. All right. So just clean it up a little bit. All right. There you go. That's my somewhat cleaned up grill top. I have the burners on as low as they will go. All right. I got my trusty fork back here. we're going to kind of beat these eggs in, and we're going to hurry up, and we're going to plug that hole in the back, right? Boom. Oh, they're not even going to make it to the back. Not today, Batman. Not today. Not today. What was that, about 8 eggs? That to drop eight eggs, right? Guys, that's 8 eggs right there. On a Blackstone. Keep them fluffy. Don't overcook your egg here. All right. There you go. The eggs are done. I'm going to dump this stuff back on there. Hopefully I don't burn my hands too bad. Look at that. Oh my goodness, son. That looks yummy in my tummy already. We're going to mix this in. Guys, I got some cheese over here. I'm not going to use all this cheese up, but I got it. We're going to use a good amount. All right. Cheese is good for you. And it wakes you up in the morning. Oh my God. All right. Guys, that's a lot of cheese. I like cheese. I also got some SPG. We got to season this up just a little bit. You know, a lot of this here doesn't really need it, but it's going to get it anyways. And then what we're going to do, we're going to just stir this up again. Hopefully, as I stir this up, that egg starts to break down a little bit. And it is. And then we're going to do, we're not going to try to overcook this now. We want it light and fluffy. Look at that. Light and fluffy, guys. Guys, listen. I don't care who you are so far. That looks great. That's going to look good in your belly. All right. I don't know why I just put that in there. I need that to come out. I'm going to move this over here. Good old ketchup. All right. We're going to take my my good old shovel. We're going to get in here, son. Look at that. Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, my goodness gracious, son. That's right. That is right. Get all that up out of there, all that goodness. All right, guys? Now, look. You got to do you, all right? I've got to do me. And for me, this needs a little bit more cheese on the top. Maybe you don't like cheese. Maybe you're a cheese hater. I don't know, but I like cheese, son. So here we go. We got to stir up our ketchup because no one likes that little ketchup like squirt that comes out the first one if you don't stir it. All right, we're going to put ketchup on this. Oh my God. Guys, you could have made that ketchup optional. I'm not. This is my food, son. That's some good looking food. All right, look over here. I'm going to tell you what this tastes like. Hold on. Oh, I brought some stuff out here. All right, hold on. I'm just going to get a little bit. Okay, I'm going to get a little bit more. All right, hold on. Put that in there. This fork has some raw egg on it. That's all right. I only have one fork down here for some reason. All right. That's good enough. I ain't going to die from it, all right? Look, we got to get some bacon on there, some French fries, some eggs. Look at this, son. This is a loaded French fry breakfast bowl. Loaded French fry breakfast bowl, folks. That's why I made. It's damn good too, son. Me, Militia, thanks for the idea, brother. I'm going to make a lot more of these. Oh. Guys. Oh, I kind of want to eat more, but hold on. Listen up. A lot of people put a lot of hard work into some videos. It's like hashtag getloadedfries, hashtag getloadedfries. Guys, it'll be on the screen somewhere for you. Go check them out. All right. Have some fun. Before you go check them out, like, comment, and subscribe. All right. We out. Talk to you later. I got to eat. Bye-bye. Alright, fuck off.